Let's focus now on Delhi's pollution crisis. In Delhi, once again, woke up to choking smog this morning. The national capital region is facing a triple challenge: the thick smog, the onset of winters, and poor air quality. The air quality index has crossed 400 in several areas, while Delhi recorded an air quality index of 357, putting it in the very poor category. So the need of the hour is a solution that provides an easy option for farmers and a respite from smoke, as there is the smoke from Punjab and Haryana that is blamed for Delhi's pollution. Well, here's one such idea: a Delhiite who quit her job to figure a solution to the farmer's stubble burning problem after her son faced health problems from pollution. Every winter, the familiar haze returns, choking Delhi and its neighbouring regions. Despite countless bans, awareness drives, stubble burning remains one of the big contributors to North India's air pollution crisis. But about 200 kilometers away from Delhi, in the village of Dukheri near Ambala, a quiet experiment is offering hope and perhaps a blueprint for change. Every year as winter arrives, so does the pollution season in the national capital region. And it usually starts after farm fires. That's when in Punjab and Haryana, farmers, after harvesting their crop, set fields like this on fire. Now, it's been years since people have been talking about why can't we find solutions to this problem, solutions that will be welcome to the farmers. Well, we're going to meet someone who's been working on just this, instead of just talking about it, actually working on a solution on the ground. This is Regenerix, a patented stubble removal machine that clears crop residue from farmland at no cost to the farmer. Instead of being set on fire, the stubble is gathered and converted into biofuel pellets right here in the village.
This basically is a machine that IIT Ropar has a patent on, and I've taken a technology transfer, exclusive technology transfer for 5 years. This was developed by them in 2017 or 18. Like a lot of the other technologies lies in the lab. But the reason why I wanted to work on stubble is because, effects of pollution are felt by all of us. And in my case, it was very personal because my son has eczema. And in this season, it really gets aggravated. And then I started to contact them. I found contacts, started to contact IIT Ropar, and now I've got this transfer. And I'm really excited to take this forward and solve this problem on the ground.
At the heart of the Regenerix model is a circular economy, transforming every village into a small energy generation hub. The biofuel pellets are sold to industries as clean fuel, bringing in extra income for the community.
पहले यही प्रॉब्लम थी, जब आग लगाते थे तो जब भी पुलिस आ जाती थी खेत में, पटवारी आ जाता था, इसलिए वो जलाने नहीं देते थे। किसान को बहुत तंगी होती थी, इसलिए
और क्या करते थे?
बस या तो जेल में ले जाते थे अंदर। हाँ, और 10,000 का जुर्माना कहते थे ना, प्रति एकड़ पे 10,000 का जुर्माना। MSP पे फसल नहीं बेच सके थे, 2 साल तक फसल कोई नहीं बेच सकता है MSP पे। इसके कारण आंचल मैडम के कारण वो कोई हमारे पे खर्चा नहीं है, सब सौदा फ्री में हो रहा है, सब काम फ्री में हो रहा है।
If scaled across Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, innovations like Regenerix could drastically reduce the smoke that engulfs Delhi every winter, while powering a new rural economy driven by renewable energy. Delhi remains one of the most polluted capitals in the world, and year after year, as winter approaches and the pollution season descends upon us, a lot of energy is spent talking about what can be the solution for this. But clearly the need of the hour is out-of-the-box solutions like this, more people putting their money where their mouth is in trying to solve this problem. In Dukeri Gaon with Muhammad Mursalin, Gargi Rawat for NDTV.